This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hagajingya kajing Tohkit dia Sonam buat songut kishenrang katau Raj Singh Kushwaha bula Kynnoh dan jing age bat kahi wa Akash Rajput ubije Singh Chauhan bu Anan Kurmi da kibor Pulit ke jela Meghalaya nama kecingdang keti Pynïap yu Raja Rakubanshi ukurem ke Sonam man ga arflai trek Jermang arja opsan laong bakani kentai bu Raj Singh la Kynnoh mar Kylliang wala la kedau bakidai nang selaba khmat Udevis NR Marak IPS Deputy Inspector General ke Eastern Range Haba pentep sekilar pesai kubor no paisi kat ardrik juli arja opsan ulang bak Sonam kala Phla bak dan bentah kecing sela Pynïap yu Raja hendai kecing keli manupat balam khmat endang hap Tohkit nya namar ka don kecing Kynnoh Kylliang hapreng ke Sonam bu Raj Singh.
Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind that needs to be established because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot? That needs to be to be established at this stage. See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of this accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons.
There will be women interrogators also?
Pardon? Yes, yes. All the persons who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If they are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation.
Kalau crime scene reconstruction DIG ulang ban sayla meki sosora ban say jing shisha baro bandang up ik jing thu jungki kapashai bha.
Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons. That will have to be ironed out, and once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene.
Sir, is it a fact that 20 lakhs she promised to this hired killers?
That is under investigation, and this is what we are asking the accused persons at this stage. So at this stage, I will not be able to confirm that. Now that's what we are establishing that fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation.
Can you tell us who are all interrogating them? Is it a...
See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, they are interrogating these accused persons. See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis.
UDIG ulang mana kajing Phla kishenrang ka Sonam kadan benta ban bret lang ke media puraja syakriat hajan ka ksek wei sodong ya ka plasai ka artrek uchuliu arja option.
Whether Sonam hit Raja?
As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja.
But whether she helped to carry the body to the edge of this cliff where the body was dumped or thrown?
Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that Sonam helped in throwing the body after after Raja was killed, she helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Raj Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya